Hey guys, and welcome back to Learn How to Dance, where you can find step-by-step tutorial of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, Fortnite dances, and other awesome dances. So today we're gonna do a dance tutorial of how to do the feet thing. So someone asked me the other day, how do you do the feet thing on TikTok? And I was like, what feet thing? And then they said, the dance thing you do with your feet. And then I found out it's the heel toe, aka happy feet. Some people also call it the feet shuffle. So anyways, I'm gonna break down this dance moves for you guys, slow, step by step, so that anyone can follow along. Yeah, all you need is some patience. Okay, so normally a dance teacher will tell you to, alright, right foot on your heel, left foot on your toes, and then you just flick them outwards, and then you just go back. Easy, right? Not quite, because I think many of you will get stuck in here, not being able to move from side to side, because you're not used to having all of your weight on the heel and on the toes, and then having to move to the side. Alright, so a way to make ourselves feel lighter in order to practice is by using a chair. So let's try that. Smooth. Alright, so I'm just gonna put the camera down so you can see what my feet are doing, alright? Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Okay, so once you're sitting on the chair, I want you to practice with your right foot going up on your heel. Yeah, you don't need to exaggerate and go all the way up, just slightly up and then to the side. Then you want to go back. Yeah, if you can, bring them a bit inwards. Yeah, so your toes are pointing slightly to the left here, and then you want to bring it outwards to the right, back in, outwards, back in, outwards, back in, outwards, back in. All right, now the other leg, the other foot here, the left foot, is saying up on your toes and then flicking your heel inwards. All right, and again, you don't need to exaggerate, just slightly up. So go back, in, back, in, back, in, back, in. Now, what we want to do now is combine them. So the right leg is on the heel, the left leg is on the toes, and then you want to go to the side. All right, let me move back. Whoop. You want to bring them up, whoop, and then to the side. Back. Remember, it's heel toe. Whoop. Right on heel, left on toes. Whoop. Back. Whoop. Back. Whoop. Back, whoop, back. Now let's try and practice to the other side. Now the left is on the heel, the right is on the toes. All right, so moving to the left side. Whoop, and then back. Remember, right on toes, left on heel, to the left. Back, left, back, left, back, left, back. All right, time to combine it. So now we want to say right. So left is on toes, right is on heel. And now we want to bring it back, and then we want to switch. Yeah, so now right is on toes, left is on heel, to the left side. Back, get ready to say switch. Yeah, right on heel, left on toes, to the right, and then switch to the side, back to the side. Now, if you want, you can practice just switching from heel to toe like that. Yeah, so always opposite. Whoom, 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 whoom. That is basically what we're doing when we switch from side to side. All right, whoop. Switch heel toe, switch heel toe, switch heel toe, switch heel toe. All right, now feel free to rewind and practice some more if you want to. Okay, so once you can do it on a chair, we want to be able to do it on our feet as well at some point, right? So a way to gradually get into that is by using 2 chairs. Now make sure that the 2 chairs are placed close enough so that you don't fall down, alright? So once you have your setup here, you can kind of lift your own weight, yeah, so you can decide how much weight you want to put on your feet, alright? So the more weight on the feet, the more difficult it's going to get, right? So you want to gradually get to the point where you can just do it without holding the chair, alright? So try and practice holding the chair, right? So legs are inwards. We're going to try to do it to the right, back, left, back, right, back, left, back. Let's just try and practice that. I'm going to count to 8 and then we're going to start. 5, 6, 7, 8, right, back, left, back, right, back, left, back. Let's just try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, right, back, left, back, right, back, left, back. Yeah, so it's a great way to practice this without, having too much weight so that you can't move at all. Alright? So once you practice this over and over, you can try and do it without the left chairs, and then you can go to the right, and then go back, and then left, and back. And notice how you can take some small breaks, yeah, so you don't need to be up in the air and then go back. You can go flat foot, flat foot, flat foot, flat foot, yeah, and then you can practice a bit faster, maybe add a bounce to it, boom, 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 and then eventually you can do it fast, and then up in the air. Alright guys, that's it for this dance tutorial on how to do the feet thing on TikTok, aka the heel toe dance move, aka happy feet. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.